Hi friends, in this video tutorial, you can see that we have given a file in which we got clubbed data. That is, you can see there is no space between employee ID and employee name. Then between the employee name and the age, there is a comma and a space. And between the age and the email ID, there are 3 asterisk symbols. Now what we want to do is we want to split this data into 4 columns, that is employee ID, employee name, age and the email ID. So this is a kind of data which you could get in the form of a CSV file or a raw data from the server. And you could be in a situation wherein you would like to split the data. So let me show you the quickest way of splitting the data into columns. So first click anywhere inside the data and then right click over here and select Get Data from Table Range. Select My Table has headers and click on OK. Now this will start the Power Query editor of Microsoft Excel. So first click on the column header and then select Split Column. Then select by Delimiter and over here we'll type 3 times asterisk to separate the email ID and then we'll click on OK. So you will see the email ID has got separated. We can double click over here and change the heading to email ID and enter. Now we want to separate the age. So you can see the delimiter is a comma and a space. So we select this column, select split column, again select by delimiter, then click over here and select custom and then give comma and a space and click on OK. So you can see the age column has got separated. We'll double click over here and give the column heading as age and press enter. Finally, we want to separate the employee ID and the name. So this time we'll click on the column, select split column and select by digit to non-digit. So you can see the employee ID and the employee name has got separated. Now we click here and change the headings to employee name and change the heading of this column to employee ID and hit enter. So now we have successfully split the data into employee ID, employee name, age and email ID. To return back to Excel, click on Close and Load, and this will migrate the data into a new sheet in Excel. So here you can see the 4 columns: employee ID, employee name, age and email ID. And your original data is in sheet 1. So friends, hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.